Let's see how we can use Python's built-in functions min and max can be used as higher-order functions. The problem is finding smallest number from a set of numbers, which are in character form. Python's built-in function min can be used for this purpose. It can be used as a normal function or higher-order function. First, let's use min as normal function. Here we have a list of numbers in integer form. Min function can be used to find smallest number from this list. 9 is the smallest number. What is the case if these numbers are in character form and if you want to find the smallest numeric value among them? The solution for this is using min function as a higher-order function. If we pass a function as input through its key parameter, then it applies that function on every value of the list, and finally the operation minimum will be applied on the list. By using int function, we can convert number in character form into integer form. So, character value 123 is converted into integer. Let's pass this int function as input to min function. By passing int function to min functions as input, we can use min as higher order function. Here, we have same list of numbers in character form. Key parameter of min function is supplied with int function. Now, we have the smallest number 9 as the result. This is how we can use min function as higher order function. Not only min, two more built-in functions max and sorted also can be used as higher order functions.